Day 25. We are 5 days from the end of this thing. Or are we? We'll see. We gotta get there. In today's smoothie, I'm gonna be using some rainbow chard, some cilantro. The recipe again calls for fresh apricots, which, as you know, I was not able to find. So I have these dried apricots that I reconstituted in water. They do not have pits. Those go straight to the blender. Rainbow chard goes next. We have our mangoes. Mangoes. We have our banana. We have water. We have liftoff. Boy, oh boy, do I like this color. Look, this is like a good, great green smoothie. Cheers.